Hello homeowners, Garrick is here, and you are on the Tactile Appliance Repair channel. On my channel, I help you to look after your appliances. Do you guys know why I love the Samsung dryers? The short answer, because they break all the time. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 main troubles of the Samsung dryer. This is all based on my own experience in repairing Samsung dryers. At the end of this video, I will share my thoughts if you should be replacing your broken Samsung dryer or still fixing that. The main issue of the Samsung dryer is the heating element. The main reason why it's broken is probably just because you haven't cleaned your lint filter regularly, or you haven't done your duct line cleaning for a while. The heating element is just the coils on the platform holding by the ceramic pins. That's how basically technicians check up where this broken part of the heating element. We can see that it's right in here. At the same time, you can have a look at the platform, and it's all being damaged due to the heat. So how to avoid the breakage of the heating element? Clean up your filter regularly, as well as do the duct line cleanup for the dryer line every 2-3 years maximum. Another common issue with the Samsung dryer is broken drive motor idler pulley. Very common part to break. As far as I can see, this roller is hardly moving. It should spin freely. What happened in this case? Lint stuck in there near the bearing mechanism, and if you overload your dryer within a time, more pressure exists on the idler pulley. That makes this piece broken.
A very common point of failure on Samsungs are the pulley. What happens is the belt rides within a certain spot, but what it can do is it can kind of dig into the wheel itself, and it can damage the pulley, forcing it to either not move or move very reluctantly. So in that case, what we do is we typically replace it with a new one.
Number 3 is the drum support rollers. You have 4 of them, but usually only 1 is broken, maximum 2. When you overload your dryer constantly, lots of pressure exists on the rollers, and that makes them broken. How to avoid it? Do not overload your dryer.
You give them a little spin test, so that looks really good, almost brand new. You want to avoid using WD-40 on them, typically speaking, just because if there's any spare lint or whatever else, it'll actually attract it. The bearing itself rides on it very well just by itself without any lubricant.
One of the most common questions homeowners asking me is, should we fix the dryer or should we get a new one? The average price to fix your Samsung dryer is somewhere in between of 200 and 400 Canadian dollars. My personal opinion, if the repair of your Samsung dryer costs you more than 50% of buying a new one, you've better get a new one. The age of your dryer is not important at all, because it depends how often you use it, and if you overload it, taking care of that. So it depends on many factors. I know some homeowners with the big families, they're doing the daily loads, and they trying to overpack their dryer fully. At the same time, if you're just a couple and you use the dryer once a week, probably twice a week, and you take good care of that, not overloading that, clean up your filter, that's gonna last forever. If you have some questions related to your Samsung dryer, drop them in the comments and I will do my best to answer all of them. That's it. Smash the like to this video and see you soon.